If you are a beginner bread baker, this honey wheat bread recipe is perfect. Made with only a few ingredients and bakes within 25 minutes, you will have a perfect loaf of bread to use for sandwiches or for a slice of toast. I will also be using a toaster provided by a company called Redmond to toast this honey wheat bread. This toaster did a great job toasting the bread and have settings that are very easy to use, as well as a nice retro design that comes in different colors. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Add a packet of dry active yeast or 2 1/4 teaspoon to a small bowl. Add warm water that is around 110 degrees. And add a half teaspoon of honey. Stir the half teaspoon to get the remaining honey off and into the yeast mixture. Let the yeast proof for around 10 minutes or until there is a surface of foam on the top. When you see the foam, you will know that the yeast is alive and well. If the yeast does not have foam on top, the water temperature could have been too hot or the yeast might be expired. It is best to start over again with a new packet of yeast. Add whole wheat flour, warm water, melted butter, honey, salt, and the proofed yeast to a bowl of a stand mixer. Feel free to fold in the ingredients with a spatula so the flour doesn't fly everywhere once the actual mixing starts. Attach the dough hook to the stand mixer. And remove any flour mixture from your spatula. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes on a medium speed. Feel free to scrape down the bowl as necessary with a spatula, but the dough hook will do a really good job gathering any remaining flour. Gather any remaining flour at the bottom of the bowl and mix it into the dough. The dough will be a little sticky, but you should be able to pull some off easily. Feel free to add more flour if the dough is too sticky. Cover the dough for 1 hour and let the dough rise in a warm spot. The dough should rise to be double in size. Remove the dough from the bowl and place in a greased 9x5 loaf pan. Reshape the dough as necessary. Cover the dough for 30 minutes to let it rise again in a warm spot. Remove the saran wrap or towel you used to cover the dough and bake in a 375-degree preheated oven for 25 minutes. Remove the bread from the loaf pan and let cool on a cooling rack for 15 minutes before serving. If you are looking for a new toaster or another kitchen appliance, check out Redmond's website where you can shop all of their great appliances. Like I mentioned earlier, this bread is great for sandwiches or toast topped with some butter and sprinkled with cinnamon and sugar. Check out my cinnamon sugar recipe in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.